Built-in shelving over the TV. Front windows looking out on the street. First floor unit. Kitchen with lots of cabinet space. Built-in dishwasher, disposal, instant hot, electric stove. Here's your bedroom. Good size, queen size bed here now. White tile bathroom. Hardwood floors, recessed lights, heat and hot water included. Here you have one closet and washer and dryer on the other side. Storage above. Cali closet. Bedrooms on the back of the house. Overlooks the outdoor space. Private deck. Back into the unit. Unit's equipped with air conditioning. Here's your view back out onto from the deck.